The Anti-Narcotics Task Force of Meghalaya intercepted a vehicle at Sohryngkham and arrested two persons allegedly transporting narcotic substances from Silchar to Shillong early on the 24th of October 2025. Officials said the operation was launched after the Antf received credible intelligence that banned substances were being ferried in a vehicle bearing registration number AS11EC 3733. The vehicle was stopped during a Naka checking drive and its occupants, a woman identified as one Suma, 42 years of age, and a man identified as Sultan Muhammad Mazumdar, 35 years of age, both from Silchar, were detained. A search of the vehicle reportedly led to the seizure of 4 soap cases filled with heroin weighing 54.13 grams. The contraband, along with the arrested suspects, has been handed over to the Sohryngkham police outpost for further legal proceedings. The Antf has registered a case and further investigation is in progress.